For the past 40 years, Fischer Sewer has been committed to providing families and businesses with affordable and timely sewage solutions. Available by phone or online, our technicians use state-of-the-art technology to identify, diagnose, and treat any sewage emergency. But you don't have to take our word for it. Most of our clients are happy to recommend us to their friends and family after their first appointment. Thanks to our clients, we have been the premier choice for sewer repair in West Seattle for over 3 decades. Don't hesitate. Contact the experts. Call Fischer Sewer today.